Hello and welcome. In today's video, you are going to learn how to recover deleted files using WonderFox with AI. From WonderFoxRecovery.com, just download the software, run the installation process, and get ready to recover your lost files. Let's delete some files first. Here we have my pics, some photos, and software. The WonderFox. Let me delete everything. Let's verify that the spite is working. Yep, worked fine. So delete. Let me empty the recycle bin. Delete complete. Let's start the scan over the F drive. To quit the scan is scanning the partition in order to recover the lost files. During the scanning, as you can see, the system just recognizes some deleted files, but it's pretty nice organized. We have the quit scan and the AI scan that is quite organized, like files inside an archive or some pictures, EPG files, PNG, and also by file type. But actually, this is one of the files that we just deleted a few minutes ago. The web is a format. Also, we have databases, executable files. With the quit scan, as you can see, this is the recycle bin and his content. So it's just a matter to wait until finish to recover the deleted files. Look at the scan progress. Look at this message. It's quite interesting because the system recognized that, well, basically, there is no more information on the rest of the disk. So, well, the suggestion is, well, you can stop the scan because basically there is nothing else to scan. So, all right, let's do it. Let's click in OK to stop the scan process because basically there is nothing else to look for. He's organizing the files and, well, finish so we can recover the lost files. Let's recover the files. Let me select by file type. Let's click here. This folder is full. Picked. Click on recover. So example here, this folder. Click OK. Successful. 27 files. Click OK. Actually, it's this folder. Let's check out this folder over here. Oh, the name of a folder with the name of the hard drive or partition. AI scan from here. Or photo. JPEG. The photos already recovered. Let's take a look. Yep, those are the photos. From the main menu, we have the refresh button in case of anything changed on your drives, or maybe you block another drive. Also, we have quick access to the recycle bin. To start scanning the recycle bin, let me stop over here and just go back. The same thing for the desktop. It's just let me stop. Okay. from the main menu. We have this button over here, the Help, Settings, skip empty space because there is no point to scan just empty space. Let me click. The same thing for temporary files, files inside Archive, or skis embedded shoot files that are images, video, attachment and so on, inside other files like compressor files and so on. The language. Well, we can select those different languages for the main interface and, of course, a mail for feedback, Facebook group, Twitter or X, YouTube videos about the project. WonderFox with AI is the simplest and fast way to recover deleted files, are recovered in a smarter way using artificial intelligence. If you want to recover to lost data, just follow these basic steps. Stop using the affected device, disconnect from hours or physical damage is something that you can do with the external drive. Use trusted recovery software like WonderFox with AI. Click on free download. Thanks to WonderFox Recovery to trust in the videos. And see you on the next one.